Okay, today we're going to be replacing the shower and tub valve. Take off your faucet and handle and everything, and make sure this is all clear. And then we're going to go around and show you the back side.
Hey y'all, what's going on? Here's our old shower valve. We're actually replacing it because the resident fell and bent it. No good. So first thing we did was cut our access hole here, preferably the size of your access panel that you're going to install, unless you're going to reinstall your sheetrock. Came in and removed our stud here that was actually supporting our valve. It was wedged between these two studs. We cut our pecs, pulled out our valve, put our new valve in, reconnected our pecs. We had to put an elbow here because the new construction, they had it a little janky. And we also added a shark bite up top to get a little extra distance because they didn't give us any extra pecs on the original install. We reinstalled everything, put our bracket back on, our down valve here. We're going to reinstall our support stud. And then on this particular job, we're going to do an access panel. 8x8.